So memory card was full, so I'm going to do the walk through here. So backyard needs landscape, gravel, new AC unit within the last 2 years. Needs paint. Fascia just needs painted too. We've got some work that needs to be done up here. Kitchen is tiled. Standard cabinets in this area, and so I recommend painting the cabinets. Countertops are in good shape. Here's a little dining area, the front room right here. Oh, doggies. So then come down here, and then we have the walkway to the master. Here's the master. Ceiling fan, no lights, so a lot of the lights are on switch for lamps. Here's the master bath. Get the lights on. Master bathroom, same cabinets, countertop, shower tub, toilet, walk-in closet. Okay. Right. Here's the second bath. Right here. Here is the front-facing bedroom. Sorry, I'm moving really fast, but pretty typical. Ceiling fan with a light. Looks like we need to replace a smoke detector or two. Here's the third bedroom. They said that the closet doors are in the garage. They're functional, they just took them out. New carpet throughout, tile can be cleaned. Laundry room just off the garage. And had her open the garage on the video so we know it works. And just a typical 2-car garage, a little bit of an extension here to put a freezer and some storage. I will get the front of the house when I go out.